Welcome to the Speak Slow English channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We are so glad you are here today.
In today's episode, we are going to practice some very common, very useful daily English conversations. We want to help you practice your listening skills.
That's right. We will cover everything from simple greetings and small talk to ordering food and making plans with friends. By listening to us, you will learn new vocabulary and hear how sentences are structured in real life.
We will be speaking slowly and clearly, so you can catch every word. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now. It really helps us keep making these lessons for you.
Okay, Emma, are you ready to start?
I am. Let's begin with the most common situation. Small talk. Part 1. The power of small talk.
Small talk is the polite conversation we have with people we don't know very well, or maybe colleagues or neighbors.
Exactly. It often starts with greetings. Everyone knows hello, how are you? And the answer is, I'm fine, thank you. But let's try some different ways.
Good idea. What if I see you in the morning at the office? I might say, "Morning, Emma. How's it going?"
I could answer, pretty good, Alex. How about you? Or maybe, not bad, just grabbing some coffee before the meeting.
"How's it going?" is very common in the USA. It means, "How are you?" Another one is, "What's up?"
What's up is more informal, right? You say it to friends.
Right? And the answer is usually, "Not much," or "Nothing new. What's up with you?"
Okay, so we have greetings. After the greeting, a very popular topic for small talk is the weather.
Ah, yes, the weather. It's a safe topic. It's not personal or controversial.
For example, if it's a beautiful day, I could say, wow, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
And I might reply, "It really is. I'm so glad the sun is shining. The forecast said it might rain."
Notice that, isn't it, at the end? That's called a tag question. It invites the other person to agree.
What if the weather is bad?
You could say, I can't believe this rain. It's been raining for 3 days straight.
A good reply would be, "I know. I'm so tired of it. I hope it stops soon."
Another great small talk subject is the weekend. On a Friday, you can ask someone, do you have any plans for the weekend?
This is a friendly way to show interest. I could say, "Yes, I'm going to visit my parents. What about you?"
I might say, that sounds nice. I'm just planning to relax, maybe watch a few movies and read a book.
And on Monday, you ask about the past weekend. "How was your weekend, Emma?"
It was great, thanks. I just relaxed at home. How was yours?
"It was good. I visited my parents, so it was nice to see them."
See? These are simple, low-pressure conversations. They are just meant to be friendly. Part 2. Running errands, coffee, and groceries.
Okay, let's move to a very practical situation. Running errands. Let's start with ordering a coffee. This can be stressful for learners.
It can. There are many options. Let's practice a dialogue. Alex, you be the barista, the person working at the coffee shop. I will be the customer.
As barista. "Hi there. What can I get for you today?"
As customer. Hi, can I please get a medium latte?
As barista. "Sure. Would you like that with regular milk, soy, or almond milk?"
As customer. Oh, almond milk, please. And can I also get a blueberry muffin?
As barista. "Of course. A medium latte with almond milk and a blueberry muffin. Will that be for here or to go?"
As customer. To go, please.
As barista. "Okay. Your total is $8.50. Will you be paying with cash or card?"
As customer. Card, please? Pause. Thank you.
As barista. "Great. We'll have your order ready at the counter in just a minute."
That was a perfect standard interaction. The key phrases are, can I please get? And I would like.
And the barista will always ask, for here or to go. This means, are you drinking it here or are you taking it with you?
Let's try another one. At the grocery store. This time, I need help finding something.
Okay, I'll be the grocery store employee.
As customer. Excuse me?
As employee, yes, how can I help you?
As customer. I'm looking for the pasta. Could you tell me where it is?
As employee, absolutely. The pasta is in aisle 5, about halfway down on your left side.
As customer. Aisle 5, got it. Oh, and one more thing. Where can I find the tomato sauce?
As employee, that's also in aisle 5, right across from the pasta. You can't miss it.
As customer. Great. Thank you so much for your help.
As employee, my pleasure. Have a good day.
The important phrase here is I'm looking for. Or could you tell me where is?
It's always polite to say, excuse me, to get someone's attention first. And always say, thank you, at the end. Part 3, talking about hobbies and interests.
Now, let's say you've made it past small talk and you want to get to know someone better. A great way to do this is by talking about hobbies.
Hobbies are the activities you do for fun in your free time, like reading, hiking, playing sports, or cooking.
You could ask a direct question like, what do you like to do in your free time?
Or, do you have any hobbies?
Let's practice. Alex, what do you like to do on the weekends?
I really enjoy hiking. I try to go to a new trail every month if the weather is good. I just love being outdoors.
That's really cool. I'm not much of a hiker myself. I prefer staying inside, actually. I love to read, and I play the guitar a little bit.
You play the guitar? That's amazing. How long have you been playing?
Oh, just for about a year. I'm still learning. I practice using videos online. What about you? Do you play any musical instruments?
I don't. I'm not very musical, but I do love listening to music. I listen to a lot of jazz.
Oh, really? I don't know much about jazz. Who is your favorite artist?
I really like Miles Davis. You should listen to his album, Kind of Blue.
I'll add it to my list. Thanks for the recommendation.
This is a great conversation. We are finding common ground. And even when our hobbies are different, we can still ask questions.
The key is to ask follow-up questions. Not just, what is your hobby, but how long have you been doing that? Or why do you like it? Or who is your favorite?
It shows you are really listening and interested. Part 4, making plans and saying goodbye.
Okay, for our last section, you've had a good conversation. Now you want to make a plan to see this person again. This is how you build friendships.
This is called making plans. It usually starts with an invitation.
Let's say Alex and I just discovered we both like trying new food. I can make an invitation.
Hey, Alex, I was wondering, are you free this Friday night? There's a new Thai restaurant that just opened downtown. I'd love to check it out.
That's a great invitation. It's specific. It says what? Thai restaurant, where, downtown, and when, Friday night.
Now, Alex can either accept or decline.
Let's try accepting first. That sounds fantastic. I love Thai food. What time were you thinking?
How about 7:30 p.m.?
7:30 p.m. works for me. Should we meet there?
Sounds like a plan. I'll send you the address. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. See you on Friday.
That was easy. But what if Alex is busy? It's important to decline politely.
Let's try again. You ask me.
Hey, Alex, are you free this Friday night to check out that new Thai restaurant?
Declining politely. Oh, I'd love to, but I can't this Friday. I already have plans with my family.
Oh, that's too bad. No problem.
Now, if I want to see Emma, I should suggest another time. This shows I am still interested.
But I'm free on Saturday. Would you be open to going on Saturday night instead?
Yes, Saturday works perfectly for me. Let's plan on that. 7:30 again?
Perfect. Saturday it is.
The key phrases for inviting are you free? Or, Would you like to?
And for declining politely, I'd love to, but, or, I'm afraid I can't. I have to.
And finally, after any conversation, we have to say goodbye.
You can use simple goodbyes like goodbye or bye, but we often add something extra.
For example, well, it was great talking to you. I should get going.
You too. Have a great day.
Or, anyway, I have to run. Talk to you soon.
Sounds good. Take care.
Take care is very common and friendly. It means be safe and well.
And that brings us to the end of our practice today.
We hope these examples were helpful. Remember, the most important part of learning English is to practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's right. Just try to use one or two of these new phrases this week. Listen to this episode again if you need to.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak Slow English.
We'll be back soon with another lesson. Until then, take care.